Looking to explore the unknown? The best EMF detector for ghost hunting is essential for uncovering paranormal activity. With precise readings and easy-to-use features, it helps both beginners and experienced investigators detect unexplained electromagnetic fluctuations effectively. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TriField TF2 EMF Meter. The TriField TF2 EMF Meter is widely regarded as one of the most versatile and reliable EMF meters available, making it an excellent choice for ghost hunting and electromagnetic field detection. Unlike many basic EMF meters, the TF2 detects magnetic fields, electric fields, and radio frequencies, RF, ranging from 20 MHz to 6 GHz, which includes most 5G signals, though it does not measure experimental millimeter waves or radioactivity. One of its standout features is its ability to display EMF fluctuations fully and in real time. The meter updates bar readings instantly for fast digital signals, while RF and numeric averages refresh 4 times per second, avoiding the over-averaging problem found in other meters that can mask sudden spikes or environmental anomalies. It offers 3-axis magnetic measurements and single-axis electric and RF readings, with the option for weighted frequency responses that emphasize the potential effects on the human body. This makes it particularly useful for ghost hunters who want to measure sudden electromagnetic changes that might indicate paranormal activity. The TriField TF2 is also extremely practical in daily use, as it can measure EMF emissions from 4G and 5G cell phones, cell towers, Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, AC power lines, and smart meters, providing a comprehensive view of the surrounding electromagnetic environment. Number 2. GQ EMF-390 EMF Meter. The GQ EMF-390 EMF Meter is a high-sensitivity device designed for those who want precise detection of electromagnetic fields, making it an ideal companion for ghost hunters. Equipped with multiple advanced sensors, it can detect a wide range of sources, including power lines, smart meters, cell phones, microwaves, and other potential EMF-emitting devices. One of the key advantages of the GQ EMF-390 is its ability to help users identify common sources of EMF in their environment, such as cell towers, static fields, and household electronics, which is essential for distinguishing normal background readings from potential paranormal anomalies. This meter also includes a built-in safety suggestion feature that instantly informs users of high or potentially hazardous EMF levels, enhancing its practicality for both investigative and health-conscious applications. The device is capable of detecting RF signals up to 10 GHz, which encompasses modern 5G networks, ensuring that investigators can account for contemporary wireless signals that may otherwise interfere with readings. The GQ EMF-390 also comes with a built-in RF spectrum analyzer and a GQ RF browser, allowing for real-time monitoring of RF fluctuations. Number 3. ERICKHILL 5G EMF Meter. The ERICKHILL 5G EMF Meter is a multifunctional device that combines precision measurement with practical usability, making it a valuable tool for ghost hunters and anyone concerned about electromagnetic radiation. Designed as a 3-in-1 meter, it can measure electric fields, EF, magnetic fields, MF, and radio frequency, RF radiation, providing a comprehensive view of the electromagnetic environment. Its built-in electromagnetic radiation sensor accurately processes data via a microcontrol chip and displays readings clearly on a large LCD screen. This allows users to monitor radiation levels from a variety of sources, including household appliances like TVs, induction cookers, rice cookers, refrigerators, and computers, as well as wireless devices such as 5G networks, Wi-Fi routers, and cell phones. For ghost hunting, the ERICKHILL meter is particularly useful because it can detect sudden fluctuations in RF, EF, and MF, which are often associated with paranormal investigations. The device provides testing for average, peak, and maximum values, and features a data hold function, ensuring investigators can capture transient spikes in EMF that may otherwise be missed. The dual-color black and white LCD screen with backlight ensures easy readability in both daylight and low-light conditions, which is critical for nighttime investigations. Number 4. FNIRSI GQ EMF Meter. The FNRSI GQ EMF Meter is a versatile 3-in-1 radiation detector that excels in providing comprehensive environmental monitoring for both health-conscious users and ghost hunters. This device combines the ability to detect nuclear radiation, electric fields, and magnetic fields, ensuring a thorough assessment of any location. Unlike conventional EMF meters, the GQ can measure gamma, beta, and X-ray radiation with a cumulative dose range of 0.00 USV to 500.0 MCV and an energy range of 48 keV to 1.5 MeV, offering an added layer of protection for users who require nuclear radiation monitoring. Its electromagnetic field detection capabilities cover magnetic fields from 0.01 UT to 99.99 UT, or 999.9 milligauss, and electric fields from 1 V per meter to 1999 V per meter, with a frequency range of 50 MHz to 3 GHz, making it suitable for detecting Wi-Fi, cell signals, and other RF sources commonly found in haunted locations. The FNRSI GQ provides 3 display modes: Curve, Professional, and Quick View. Number 5. MESTEK EMF Meter. The MESTEK EMF Meter is a compact, portable, and rechargeable device designed for users who require convenient and versatile electromagnetic field detection, making it a strong choice for ghost hunting enthusiasts. Its portability allows investigators to easily carry it during field investigations or while moving around different areas of a home, office, or outdoor location. The MESTEK meter can measure magnetic fields with optional units of mg or μt, electric fields V per meter, and radio frequency radiation UW per centimeter squared, including Wi-Fi signals, 5G networks ranging from 30 MHz to 8 GHz, and microwave emissions from household appliances. This multifunctional capability ensures comprehensive EMF monitoring and helps ghost hunters identify sources of electromagnetic fluctuations that may indicate paranormal activity. In addition to measuring electromagnetic fields, the MESTEK EMF meter features a large color LCD screen that displays average, peak, and maximum readings, along with a data hold function for convenient recording. Audio and visual warnings provide alerts when radiation levels exceed safe thresholds, using a 3-color alarm system to clearly indicate danger. The device also includes an automatic power-off function to preserve battery life, as well as a low battery indicator to prevent unexpected shutdowns during investigations. Its user-friendly interface, combined with real-time readings and multi-range detection, allows ghost hunters to quickly pinpoint EMF sources, monitor environmental changes, and differentiate between natural and anomalous electromagnetic activity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.